Are you looking for an electric lawn mower? In this video, I will show you the 5 best electric lawn mowers based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Greenworks Pro 80V 21-inch. Up to 60 minutes runtime with fully charged 4.0Ah battery. Runtime varies based on grass condition and operator technique. A highly efficient brushless motor provides more torque, quiet operation, and longer life. A durable 21-inch cutting deck gets the job done quicker and more efficiently. 3-in-1 system, mulch, rear bagging, and side discharge. Single lever 7-position height adjustment for the best cut in all grass conditions. Easy push button starts. No gas, no oil, no emissions. The 4th product on the list is the American Lawn Mower. The American Lawn Mower 14-inch 4-blade push-reel lawn mower is an easy-to-use mechanical lawn mower that will cut grass up to 4 inches tall. The mower is easy to assemble and has blades that can be adjusted to help cut grass to the user's desired length. The durable cushion handle is comfortable and gives users a perfect grip when in motion. The American Lawn Mower reel mower produces powerful cutting action without emitting harmful fumes into the environment. The planet-conscious mower is lightweight, low maintenance, and will make mowing the lawn easy. The 3rd product on the list is the Snapper SP Walk Mower Kit. A long life, 1000 or 1200 watt high-efficiency brushless motor provides the power and reliability you need to mow your yard for years to come. The 21 self-propelled model provides smooth operation, allowing you to control the forward mowing speed with the easily accessible speed control lever. Load sensing technology allows for the power to adjust to meet the demands of the cutting blades, while single lever, 7 height of cut adjustment easily adjusts to select your preferred cutting height. The 2nd product on the list is the Sun Joe Electric Lawn Mower. The MJ401E Pro's durable steel blade cuts a 14-inch wide path with precision on each pass. In addition to its hard-working mowing capacity, the Sun Joe features a 3-position manual height adjustment. Sun Joe comes equipped with a hard-top rear collection bag that detaches easily for convenient grass disposal. The included discharge chute, ideal for cutting taller grass, safely discharges clippings without clogging the mower deck. Best of all, no gas, oil, or tune-ups are necessary. The 1st product on the list is the EGO 20-inch. The EGO Power Plus 56V lithium-ion 20 inches. A self-propelled mower delivers the torque of gas. No other cordless mower matches or surpasses the power of gas mowers, making the EGO Power Plus mower a true gas replacement lawnmower. EGO delivers the power and performance of gas without the noise, fuss, or fumes. A 20 inches. Steel deck, an up to 60-minute runtime with compatible EGO battery, and a variable speed. The self-propelled system are just a few of the features that make this mower incredible. All EGO ARC lithium batteries are compatible with all EGO Power Plus products. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.